How much should you actually spend on a PS4 steering wheel? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1: Logitech G923 Racing Wheel. Let's start with the Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and pedals, priced at $279.99. The first thing that caught my attention was its TRUFORCE technology, which offers force feedback processing at up to 4,000 times per second. If you want to feel like you're really racing, this is worth a serious look. Imagine fine-tuning your speed with a built-in LED RPM indicator, all while feeling every bump and curve thanks to the advanced feedback system. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from over 5,600 reviews, it's clear that gamers love it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The programmable dual clutch helps you launch faster in supported games, and it's compatible with a wide range of racing titles, which means you can jump into your favorite game right away. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it up and running, the experience is genuinely worth it and can elevate your gaming sessions. This is perfect for serious racing gamers who want the most realistic experience. But if you're just looking for a casual gaming setup, you might find this a bit overkill. Plus, it's a solid investment considering the quality you're getting. Now, if the G923's price tag worries you, this next one might be a great alternative. Product number 2: Logitech G920 Driving Force. Next up is the Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel, retailing at $299.99. This wheel also caught my eye because of its immersive gaming experience, perfect for Xbox and PC titles. If you want precision steering and pressure-sensitive pedals, this is definitely worth considering. With a 4.6-star rating and over 22,100 reviews, you can tell it's a favorite among gamers. The 900-degree rotation is another highlight, allowing you to turn the wheel just like in a real car. Plus, the customizable pedals provide a responsive feel that can enhance your control during races. Now, some users have noted that it doesn't work seamlessly with PlayStation consoles, which is a downside if you're a multi-console user. But if you're primarily on Xbox or PC, this isn't a deal-breaker at all. Ideal for gamers who want a realistic racing setup, but you might want to skip this if you only play on PlayStation. It's a solid option for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious gamers. Product number 3: Logitech G29 Driving Force. The Logitech G29 Driving Force Racing Wheel is next, priced at $299. This wheel is designed specifically for PlayStation and PC, making it perfect if you're in that ecosystem. If you want an immersive driving experience, this is something you should check out. The precision steering and pressure-sensitive pedals are just like the G920, but it's tailored for PS4 and PS5. With a 4.6-star rating from 21,200 reviews, users rave about the smooth operation and realistic feel. The 900-degree rotation is a game-changer for racing simulations. Plus, the customizable controls via the G-Hub gaming software means you can tweak settings to your liking. Now, some have pointed out that the pedals could use more resistance. Here's the thing though, once you get used to them, they still provide a solid experience for most racing games. This is perfect for serious PlayStation racers who want high-quality gear, but if you're just a casual racer, you might feel this is too much for your needs. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something that offers great value without breaking the bank, this next one might be a great fit. Product number 4: PXN V9 Steering Wheel. Next on the list is the PXN V9 steering wheel, coming in at a budget-friendly $149.99. This caught my eye because it supports multiple platforms including PC, PS4, Xbox, and Switch. If you're looking for versatility without burning a hole in your wallet, this is worth a serious look. With a rating of 4.2 stars from nearly 1,900 reviews, it's a good option for casual gamers. The adjustable rotation angles of 270 and 900 degrees are handy, catering to different types of racing games. However, some users mention that the build quality doesn't feel as premium as pricier models. Here's the thing, while it may not have the same luxurious feel, it still delivers solid performance for its price point. This is perfect for beginner and casual gamers who want a taste of sim racing without the steep investment. But if you're a hardcore racer, you may want to invest a bit more for better quality. Now, if you think the V9 is a great option, wait until you hear about the next one that comes in even lower. Product number 5, PXN V3 Pro Steering Wheel. Finally, we have the PXN V3 Pro Steering Wheel, which is priced at just $79.99. Honestly, this is a steal if you're just getting into racing games. If you want something straightforward and fun, this is definitely worth a look. It's compatible with multiple platforms including PS4, Xbox, and Switch, which makes it super accessible. With a commendable rating of 4.3 stars from 5,000 reviews, it's clear that it meets the needs of many gamers. The dual motor vibration feedback adds a fun layer of realism during gameplay. However, some users have noted that the pedals can feel a bit basic. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something to get started with, this is an excellent entry-level wheel that won't overwhelm you with features. This is perfect for casual gamers or families looking for some fun racing action. But if you want a more serious setup, you might want to consider investing a bit more. Overall, for the price, it's hard to find a better starting point. So to wrap it up, we have the Logitech G923 and G920 for serious racers looking for high-end features. The G29 is a solid choice specifically for PlayStation fans. The PXN V9 offers versatility, and the V3 Pro is perfect for beginners on a budget. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your gaming style and budget.